Well, obviously we are very happy to win our first game. I think this will be the standard for us. So I hope to see my team every week like this. It's a different what I have seen comparing to the pre-season, but we already knew that the pre-season is just to get fitter and to improve our way of playing. And yeah, I think the game we defended well. There were for both sides were chances, and we were fortunate that we made one of the last chances we got, that we through Vidal, that we scored. So obviously we're very happy.
First of all, this game is very difficult for us to get a win, because first game of the season and the opening match, and then actually we don't have enough time to prepare pre-season, but we work together and then work hard and then communicate with each other. That's okay, I think.
Sempat kesulitan di babak pertama, kemudian bisa mencetak gol. Sebenarnya apa yang dilihat dari pertahanan Persebaya itu khususnya celah yang dilihat. Terus yang kedua, ini game pertama Anda di Indonesia, bagaimana melihat atmosfer yang ada di Stadion GBT?
So this is for first game. In the first half we difficult to find the change in the defense of Persebaya, and what you look to so on the first half, and then and the second question is this is the first game in the debut in the Indonesia, and what's about the atmosphere?
Well, first of all, the atmosphere was already, when I was still in the Netherlands, I noticed the energy the fans are giving here in almost every stadium. So, like I said yesterday in the press conference, I was very excited to coach this game. I rather had played it myself, but I'm getting old. Well, and about the chances we got, yeah, Persebaya was also defending well, and I think we were aiming too much to play through the center. I think at the end, in the final third, we had to play more to the side and then come inside the box.
Oke, atmosfer di Indonesia dengan di Belanda adalah sangat berbeda gitu, dan fans yang hadir di sini sangat bersemangat dan membuat saya bersemangat atau terinfluence begitu. Kemarin juga saya sudah bilang bahwasannya saya sangat menunggu pertandingan hari ini dan saya sangat bersemangat untuk melatih tim ketika pertandingan hari ini. Lalu di babak pertama Persebaya memang bertahan dengan sangat bagus, dan kita seringkali bermain hanya dari tengah begitu, dan kami instruksikan untuk sedikit bermain ke sayap dan kita berhasil.
Oke, berikutnya teman-teman, ya Mbak, dari banyak dari mana Mbak?
Dari RRI. Hello coach, I'm Nia from National Radio Station RRI. Just one question. Last season PSIM is one of the promotion team from the second league to the now in the main league, this for the first league. After 18 years, they need 18 years to come back to the first league. How do you see the winning tonight to motivate your team for the whole season? Because we know maybe the pressure will be higher than the last season in the second.
Yeah, but that's what you're right. That's what I've been saying throughout the pre-season, that we have to we have to raise the bar. Like you said, 18 years in League 2, so that means if you play on a higher level, the intensity is higher. Well, and we have to adjust. And today we showed, and like I said, that will be the standard, because if we do less, then we're gonna lose, and that's not very convenient.
Kamu benar, dan ketika pre-season saya sudah bilang bahwasanya kita harus meningkatkan standarnya begitu, karena tahun lalu Liga 2 dan sekarang BRI Super League itu sangat berbeda standarnya, intensitasnya. Kalau kita perbaiki, dan ini yang terjadi.
Oke, pertanyaan berikutnya, Mas.
Januar dari Sorot, Mas. Coach, mengapa tadi dengan Rafinya Pak nggak dipasang?
Oh, you didn't put Rafinya.
Well, I was very pleased with the performance of Nerin. He was defending with a lot of energy. He was a little bit unlucky in the first half in ball possession, but the second half he was much better. But most of all, what we need is that we defend with 11, and I think Nerin is the first from our defense. As the goalie is our first attacker. Yeah, well, and Nerin is the example how we have to play, and he brings so much energy. So for me, that's the reason he's playing. And the second thing is we've got a lot of small guys, so we need also some headers with the set pieces defending.
Dan saya sangat menghargai performa Nerin begitu. Karena defense-nya juga sangat bagus. Mungkin di babak pertama tadi agak sedikit kurang beruntung ketika penguasaan bola, tapi yang paling penting adalah di tim saya goalkeeper pertama adalah seorang striker, jadi kita harus bertahan dengan 11 orang pemain. Kemudian yang kedua, banyak dari pemain kami yang pendek begitu, dan saya butuh orang yang jago untuk defense di set piece begitu.
Oke, cukup? Ya.
Usually it's like a bold statement for other clubs that PSIM it's not just underdog. It's maybe you can be in the top of the league in the rest of the season. How do you see that?
You know, as I said, this is the first season for myself in Liga Satu as well. And then, you know, I didn't expect this kind of amazing atmosphere, but we did well. And then, yeah, I hope we're gonna be like a top 5. I hope so, and then we're confident. Yes.
Ini seperti yang saya bilang tadi, bahwasanya ini adalah pengalaman saya pertama di BRI Super League begitu, dan saya juga nggak menyangka atmosfer fan-nya juga begitu ramai, dan ketika kami berusaha dengan baik, hasilnya mengikuti, dan semoga nantinya kita ada di top 5.